Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to assign a note in the staff portal. It's simple. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview. Assigning notes ensures that important information like instructions, additional resources, reaches the right people, whether it's students, parents, or fellow staff members. This keeps everyone informed and organized. Now, let's get started. In the navigation menu, click Tools and select Notes. Make sure you're on the Template tab to access the list of notes. You can either create a note or use pre-made templates. For now, let's start from scratch. Click the Create Notes button. First, give your note a title. Next, expand the description area by clicking plus add description if needed. Now, use the main text area to type the body of your note. Take advantage of the formatting tools. If you need to include any additional resources, click plus add file to attach relevant documents. When you click Save, the note will automatically save as a template. Now locate the note we just created. Use the search and filter icon if you need help. Once found, click the three-dot menu next to the note. From the drop-down menu, select Assign. Input the title for this note that we'll be sending to a specific person. You can filter and select the appropriate subject and course to narrow down the recipients. Decide who should receive the note: students, parents, or staff. Use the checkboxes next to their names to select your intended audience. You can select as many as you want. Once your selections are complete, click Proceed. This will automatically add the notes to your recipient's notes list. And that's it. Your note has now been assigned to the selected recipients and is ready for them to view. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.